And we continue to follow breaking news tonight. A deputy constable with the Harris County Precinct 1 Constable's office is hospitalized after a shootout with an armed man near the Harris County Family Law Center in downtown Houston. Deputy Constable Sheila Jones was shot in the torso. She remains at Memorial Hermann Hospital right now, where she's expected to recover. The shooting happened just before 12:30 this afternoon outside the Family Law Center off of Congress Street. And that is where KPRC2's Devin Clark is live tonight. How has this incident affected movement in and around that courthouse and the courtrooms? Devin?
Yeah, the court proceedings, as we understand, did continue as planned. At the height of all of this, we did hear from a witness who said that they were inside of the courthouse when the bullets erupted. They were told to get down, duck for cover, and there was a brief lockdown. But after that, court resumed. Now, just to give you a lay of the land, if you've ever been downtown to the judicial complex, you know how busy of an area this is. A lot of it still blocked off. Officials say some 2 million people pass through these buildings every year for court matters, whether they be civil or criminal. Now we understand Congress Street, at San Jacinto, Fannin, at Preston, all still part of the area that is blocked off. We spoke to one man who asked not to be identified, but told us he was here downtown waiting on his daughter to come out of the courthouse when he found himself ducking for bullets.
I just saw him running this way shooting. I didn't know where the suspect was at because they were shooting this way, and I was like duck, like what the hell's going on? Where's he at? And then so I started to run, but suddenly I heard pop out, he's on the ground, and then they jumped. And when I noticed he was on the other side of that cement column between the trees, and I seen the backs of the officers that they're jumping on him, I guess to handcuff him, and then they dragged him out an opening where they can really check him. And then from there, they started taping everything, pushing people back, and police officers were coming all over the place.
All right, and we understand that tonight there is an Astros game. It's unclear how long these streets are going to be blocked off, but just be mindful of that if you are coming to the game. Make sure that you give yourself extra time for these possible continued street closures. We're not sure, again, how long these are going to last, but we're going to keep you updated as soon as more details become available. For now, reporting live downtown, Devin Clark, KPRC2 News.